Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your system.io, and it's pretty simple to do. So first of all, you want to go to your system.io settings right here at the top. Then when you are here, you're going to scroll down until you see custom domains and you want to click that. As you can see, there's some domain name of system.io, but you want to connect your domain from Namecheap. So you want to click add domain and you want to enter your domain name. So to have your domain name, you just click account on Namecheap and click domain list and you will be redirected to this page. So I'm just gonna copy this domain. Let's enter www, save. And now while it loads up, we have to wait. And as you can see, now you need to add these DNS configurations to your Namecheap. So first of all, you want to delete all of these records. And now you want to add a new record. So of course you need to click Advanced DNS Settings. And now you want to add a new record. So it has to be CNAME record. And now as a host, we need to add www. And the target is all of this. And now let's add the settings. Now again, we need to add CNAME record. And here, from this one, you want to copy it until the dot. Paste it here. Now the target would be all of this. And you want to paste it and add it right here. And as you can see, it has been connected. Now on system.io, basically, it is pending validation. It may take up to 48 hours, I believe, to be ready to use status. But yeah, guys, that's how you connect your Namecheap domain to system.io. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.